Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today to share with you our renovation on our bathroom. We bought our home in July and it's quite the fixer-upper, so we have quite a few renovations to do. This was the first of many. We did some DIYs and some inexpensive changes and we're really happy with the outcome. Let's go ahead and get into it. So this bathroom had wallpaper on the walls, so once we removed that, we realized that the walls were pretty textured, so we decided to come up with a DIY shiplap. First, I painted the walls white just to give them a fresh coat. Then we went to our local hardware store and got a 1/4 inch plywood and had them strip it down into 8 pieces for us. Then my husband cut them to size and we painted the ones behind the toilet before hanging them. One trick we used was to put a nickel in between the shiplap as we were installing it to keep the spacing the same. We ended up keeping the vanity the same. I just painted it a navy blue and put some gold hardware on the fixtures, but the sink definitely needed to be replaced. So I found this white one on garage sale and I was able to find the faucet on Amazon. Once the shiplap was hung, I painted the top half of the wall gray to match the rest of the house. So here's the final product. It was a pretty small powder room, so it's hard to get a good video for you, but I hope you get the idea. And if you have any questions on how we did things, please leave them in the comments below and I'd be happy to get back to you. The artwork you see hanging on this wall was from Hobby Lobby, 50% off, and I'm still hoping to get a new toilet sometime, but that is in the future plans. Thank you, Zoe, so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.